I have a top 5 list of vegetables you need to grow this year, and I'm going to tell you what they are and why you need to grow them. So let's get started. The roots are not very long on these, so this allows for portability. It also grows well in the shade, and it's a very productive type of lettuce versus romaine, for example, which it can grow more than double the harvest. So if you like making salads, this should definitely be on your must-have list. Swiss chard is probably my most underrated of the items I have here, and there's a couple of reasons for that. It grows under a lot of different conditions. It can handle sun, it can handle partial shade, it can handle a lot of heat, and it can handle cold. The other thing is it's very versatile for cooking. You can use the stalks and make stir fries, you can use the leaves and you can make salads with that. So it's definitely something that you should try out. This is a very productive plant under ideal conditions. Firstly, it needs to have a lot of sun. Second, it needs to pollinate. So in order for it to pollinate, the pollinators need to pollinate from the male flower to the female flower. If you only produce one plant, it's less likely to happen. So for that reason, I highly recommend having at least 2 zucchini plants so that the pollinators can increase the chance that you're going to get large zucchini that you're looking for. These cucumbers, unlike regular cucumbers, they don't produce male flowers and female fruit. All they produce is the fruit. So you don't have to worry about the pollinating, and because it only produces fruit, it's highly productive. If you haven't tried these before, I highly recommend giving it a shot. I've been growing this tomato for 5 years. It's a determinate tomato. It grows to about 4 feet high. And if you give it the proper amount of water, the proper nutrients, it's capable of producing upwards of 50 tomatoes off of one plant. So it's a very productive plant, and that's why it's at the top of my list. I want to know what your top 5 list is. Please put in the comments, I'd love to hear. And if you enjoyed this video, press the like button. If you want more content like this, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you next time.